How to check balance on Visa gift card. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open any browser in your PC. Once you open the browser, in the search bar, search for check Visa gift card balance. Once you search for it, click on the first link that says visa.com. Inside this page, you'll be able to find Visa gift card issuers right over here. Click the one of your own kind, but for now, for an example, I'm going to go ahead and tap on the first one that says Visa Vanilla Gift Cards. So when you tap onto it, this page is going to open up in your screen. From your screen, all you have to do is simply tap on check balance right over here. Once you tap onto it, you'll be able to find this interface. Inside here, you want to go ahead and enter the card number, which is 6 digits and no spaces. Just like so, type in the expiration date and also includes the CCV, which is the back of your card. Once done, tap on continue, and just like so, you'll then be able to check your Visa gift card balance. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.